Hello everybody, what's up? In today's video we're going to learn how to calculate the length of a list in a 1-minute lesson. So here is my list called colors. There are four elements that are of string type. How do I know that they are a string? Because they are in quotes. Okay, so red, green, blue and yellow are the elements of my list that is called colors. In order to calculate the length of this list, simply we call the len function, and inside parentheses I write down the name of the list that I would like to calculate its length. Okay, so len, and inside parentheses we write down the name of the list, which is colors, and we use the print function to print it in the output. So when I run this code, we see that number of colors, it's 4, because there are 4 elements in this colors list.